Welcome to the Zepl tutorial, How to Set Up Your Space. A Zepl space is simply a collection of notebooks. Both members and teams in an organization can be invited to a space and can be granted permissions to share and collaborate on the notebooks within. To set up a space, click the New Space button near the bottom of the screen. Then we need to name the new space. Let's call this Tutorial Notebooks. Zepl offers the ability to import notebooks from several external sources when creating a space if desired. To do so, check the External Repositories checkbox, which will display the current options available. Then click Apply. Now you have a new space. After creating a new space, you can share it with other members or teams, or with the entire organization. Members of a space are able to access all notebooks that belong to the space. To share, click the Share button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You can decide if you want to share with your whole organization or with a specific member. To allow permissions for a specific member, just type in their name or email. We will share with the whole organization. Then you can select what permissions you want to grant. You have read permissions, collaboration permissions, and management permissions. Once you decide on the permissions you want to grant access to, you can click Save Changes. You are now able to create a space and share access with your organization.